Hello everyone, welcome to this ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about suitability analysis of sites for schools using Spatial Analyst tool. Here we will use slope, Euclidean distance tool, reclassify raster calculator, etc. So before further delay, let's jump into the video. So let's start working. First, let's bring in the data. Now let's set the environment for Arc toolbox. In the processing extent, the extent will be the same as land use layer. Snap raster will be the elevation. Click OK now. Now go to slope tool. The input will be the elevation. Now set the output. Now we will use Euclidean distance tool for school and recreational area. Let's perform it for the recreational area first. Select the raster, set the output, click OK and we can see the result. Now let's perform the same for school. Now let's use reclassify tool. We need to use it to define suitability for the four factors which are land use, slope, recreational area and school. First, let's reclassify the slope. Select equal interval and 10 classes. Things to consider before assigning values are the more the slope or the steeper the area the more unsuitable it is. So we need to assign highest value on the lowest slope value. Let's set the output now and click OK to see the result. Now let's perform this for recreational area. In this case, the lesser the distance, the higher the suitability. So reverse the values. Set the output and click OK to see the answer. Now let's do it for school in the same way. For school, the higher the distance, the higher the suitability. So no need to reverse the values. Set the output and click OK to see the answer. Now we have to reclassify land use. Input the raster, select the field land use. While assigning values, we will follow this manual. You can pause here and have a glance. Let's assign the values now. Assign no data for water and wetland. Set the output and click OK to see the result. Now go to raster calculator. Here we will set the equation for performing suitability analysis. So let's create the equation. We will follow the manual here to assign the weights. You can pause here to check the weights. Assign integer to get the values in integer. Set the output and click OK. Now let's go to symbology of the result layer. Label the top three as most suitable, more suitable and suitable accordingly. Assign no color to the rests. Now put better color for better understanding in the suitable values. Clicking OK, we can now see the result where we can identify the suitability levels of different areas for schools. So this is the way for suitability analysis. Thank you everyone for watching till the end. Hope this tutorial will be useful to you.